the Adams family, Sundown supporters, Kaizer Chiefs supporters, Orlando Pirates supporters, the management of Mamelodi Sundowns. Uh, the real question is when they say men must talk, who do you talk to? Who do you tell them that you've got family problems? Because most men today themselves, they can't keep secrets. Indaba zethu sizizwe emachwaleni sikhuluma abangani bethu emakhawashi nasemasontweni nama-judgment abantu abasijajayo ngoba uyindoda kumele uqine ungakhali, kumele ufele ngaphakathi. Iqiniso alifuni ukukhulunywa bafethu. Kubuhlungu ukuthi ufonele umuntu umngani wakho ifoni ikhala izithule angayibuyisi i-call back yakho because uyazi ukuthi uney'nkinga. Kumele sisekele ukukhuluma amanga bafethu, senze ngathi asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngathi amadoda, kunamadoda manje asebana namanye amadoda kwabanye abafazi. Indaba zakho uzizwe kwenye indawo labo ungacabanga ukuthi ungazizwa khona, so uyokhalela kubani? Bazokutshela nge-mental health. I-mental health yakho ukuthi ukoloda indlu, ukoloda imoto, umfazi endlini akafuni ukulala nawe ngoba unamali. Uzotshela bani lento leyo? Uhambe uyojola umakhwapheni akufuna imali, akudrain imali uphele, uyokhalela kubani? So yithi abafowethu kumele sitshintshane. La mina ngahlangana nani niyazi, beningangazi ngihlangana nani ebholweni ngaba yifamily, and I'm grateful because nangibonisa uthando ne-respect, and ngiyanibonga bafowethu. I pray to God ukuthi siqhubekeni sibambaneni ngale ndlela leyo sikwazi ukubambana ngayo. Yebo singakwebhana ngokuya ngokuthi umunye i-Chiefs omunye i-Pirates kuthiwe ini, it's fine, but ukubambana into emele iqale ngathi. Ubaba kaHantu ukhuluma enye into athi you must hold yourself accountable. Niyekeni ukusebana bafethu. Umunye uma kanenkinga bafethu sondelani kulowo muntu lo ngoba you don't know ukuthi is the last day umbona lo muntu loyo. You don't know. We don't know why what happened to Jaden Adam. No one knows. But when we ask with enhlizweni yakho how you feel when you are not okay. But mina I'm scared to tell people my problems because amadoda ayaseba. You rather tell a woman because a woman is a woman. Akusena out manje bafethu, if you're honest. There's no longer men. Phone manje ephura kankadime 3 clipper. Uyotshela umunye ukuthi hey kyolo are 3 clipper etsa. Ke mana rareke koloi ya 3 liter. That's what is happening. It's the truth. Are ke mrekele ticket at stadium. Mona khana why ke manga are ke ablele khoza mrekele. Those are the things that are said. Whether you like it, whether you don't like it. The disrespect that we have for us men here. That's why here that's why Tina la uphuma khona uyazi. Mina la ngiphuma khona there was a time when amadoda angiseba nabanye abafazi. That's how serious this thing is. Then who do you run to and go and tell that person ukuthi mfethu nginenkinga. Hliziyo yami ibuhlungu mfethu, imedi yami siyaxabana every day. Maybe I can be a better brother to you, I don't know. But maybe you can be a better brother to me. Mental health bafethu, it's because the quality of us men is high. Akusena out. When men drink manje bakhuluma baphuza ngamagama abantu. Ubona lapha kuyaphuza. Mayibhodlela lihamba efikeni bayaqala bathi uChina uphi. Akanana unizwile umfazi wakho ushile. Izwile in imoto ayinamatayere uyakhala ukhalela mina. Instead of trying to say how do I help that guy? Makuxoxwa manje kuxoxwa ngabantu, akuxoxwa ngokuthi mara umfowethu simnceda kanjani. This guy is trying to make a business. Let's support him. Let's push him. Let's go to him. People judge ukuthi ugqokeni, uhamba ngani, ubheke ubani. That's the truth. Siyabazi phila impilo esiphila manje. Then you expect who you gonna talk to. Mangikufonela ungabuyisa i-call yami uthi ngithini. Ngikufonela wawubamba ifoni. Then what must I do? What must I say? Tomorrow uhamba ungikhuluma abantu hey ubatla uyakona ulina ku stadium. Angithi you don't know what I'm going through. You don't know why I'm coming to the stadium. You don't know why I'm suffering. It might be God's will, it might be my ancestors' will, it might be Jesus Christ's will. I also don't know. But why can't you hold my hand and say mfethu woza man thinga ukunceda. Bekela labantu and assist me as a brother. and give me a hand as a man and guide me and show me if I'm wrong somewhere. Show me. Uthi mfethu la uya wrong, la ungenza kanje kanje, mfethu ungachiteli umfazi wakho, ayenza kanje naku mfethu isipani sisenza la. This is how we make money. This is how we grow. This is how we treat our children. Don't treat your child like that. Talk to your baby mama. Be a positive influence in the other man. But the only thing we know, today Mushe skipper last year. I once I was so disappointed. A friend of mine umpona ko the channel yako Super Sport.
Yeah.
Arang skipper sidala kanje. Kara mfana ukuthi anginaso imali yokuthenga lesa manzi bengizosithenga. Ngoba mangani bamba nazo. Those are the things that is said to you. So that person, so I must take 1.3, not buy electricity and buy skipper separates. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? Mina bafethala si if ke angithani ngitshele ngingakufoneli. Ngitshele ngingayizi ku stadium mangikujabulele. Kona abanye sabajabulela bathi hayi yabo enuzibuza ukuthi lo muntu kanjani. Maybe it's time for us to change. I don't know. Mina ngazi bafethu because I'm always consumed by my problems as ngidla every day. Now umuntu mina ngiphila nawe. This man listen to me. He's a brother. Don't judge me. No, this guy I've known him I don't know how many years now. He support him mfethu ungawari asenze kanje. I would think I'm shy. He's a true friend to me. And I'm hoping I'm a true friend to him and I can be another friend to another person if you want to be my friend. But I can't nami ngitshela indaba zakho bese ngifonela uchayela ngithi yo umvile yo ufuna ngifuna imali etikiti ngithathaphi mina. You understand? That's where we can build brotherhood bafethu. Yes, makuyidabi kumele siye sotshalana udoti sidlane senzile abaleke uChina mangimshaya 3-1. It's fine, but we have to hold each other bafethu. Lento ibhlungu lenze evelelo lomndeni lo. Noma ungayibheka ukuthi in any other question kufi very breadwinner kufi umuntu bekufanele ngabe wenza into eziningi kakhulu emhlabeni. Imagine umuntu obuya ku World Cup ukuvele lento efana nale. I understand lento leyo. Ngicela sithandaneni bafethu sibambaneni. If kufoseritse I'm sorry. Now mangifoseritse sorry, life goes on. But sizama ukubambana ngoba ngesinye isikhathi uNkulunkulu sihlanganise kanje uyazi yena the purpose. We don't know. Uyakubalekisa kulabantu abakhuluma njengamanje abayehlisa ibhiya ngegama lakho. Ngoba unamali ugesi at the moment. Injalo angithi. Ungahola namhlanje kusasa unamali. Mara mawuphinde uphanda uhasla abantu bakuhleka ukuthi yo shem arwa bereka kae. A pere burkhuba last year. Basho kanjalo abantu. You sometimes you don't know, my bro. You trust the wrong people. That's the problem. You sometimes you don't know. You don't understand. But anyway, mina, rest in peace to Khotmani and again to the Sundowns family and all of us who love football. We've lost the gem here because that boy delicious. One touch, bamba. Bamba. Yabo a destroyer lapha. Bayibona lento. Ngakhumula ngithi kuye le game ye 1-1. The Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. That's a master class bafethu. Yeah. Esiswini. Nondlovu wabona udala hangizwe sasibode mfana second. And it was a beautiful game. Although yasiphi league waswaba abanye but it was a beautiful game of football to watch. But chance ngiyabonga mina at least ningibizile ngaza ngazokhona ukunikana ngecondolences yami ngoba lemfowethu lo bekadlala ibhola nebhola salithanda sonke asithandeli ukuthi sithanda ukuthi sisondane khona umuntu oshile what 90 minutes eground after 90 minutes wa brothers rest in peace Grootman Adams nani bafithu tuzekani masandawana bafithu
1 minute. Yes.